Sleek design, comfortable and great back support. I liked the feel of the leather, and the quality exceeded my expectations. The color worked perfectly for my space. The size is a bit smaller, so I definitely need more than one to complete the look. I purchased the love seat and the sofa in light gray. The fabric color is slightly off between the two pieces, one piece is slightly bluer, and the other has slightly more cream. Also, while the love seat accent pillows fit perfectly on the ends, the sofa accent pillows extend about 8 inches past the sofa seat, looking ridiculous. I have spot cleaned the love seat, purchased a little while ago, and the fabric has pilled significantly, all over. The furniture is very comfortable, and make a nice casual set for my den. Easy delivery. Great sitting couch for formal living room. Firm but very comfortable. Mid-century modern without the West Elm price tag. Denim pulls in more green than expected but works well for our decor. Very happy with this purchase. Very soft leather and comfortable to sit in. Modern look, and the picture does not do it justice. Took 30 seconds to put together. All around a great purchase. This sectional is perfect. It's comfortable and sophisticated. I absolutely love this chair. It is super comfortable, and very stylish. I got it for my office, and everyone in my building loves it. The day after, I am happy with my new small sofa, it seems fit for purpose. It's stylish, comfortable, well made and reasonably priced. I spent several weeks analyzing all the options in the market, and so far this sofa has met my expectations. I will provide updates to let you know how it does with time. Stylish. Comfortable. No complaints. Needed a smaller couch for our den with Malm fireplace. More of a mid-century vibe. This couch is great. Color, size, and style. I love this sofa and hope it holds up well. Just received. Quick and easy setup. Really good quality for the price point. Cushions feel well stuffed. These chairs are fantastic. We needed something super affordable for an office overhaul but still wanted the pieces to feel high-end and substantial. These chairs ticked all of the boxes for this project. Highly recommend. They assembled easily, screw in legs, and in minutes. The clients loves them and everyone who's visited their office is raving. Click link in description for more reviews.